once said it was as if the fates meant for us to be together.
And I believe that.
Well then, if it's true, we will be together again. Do you love Aeryn so?
Beyond hope.
I remember tears streaming down your face when I said I'll never let you go. When all those shadows almost killed your light. I remember you said don't leave me here alone. But all that's dead and gone and past tonight. Just close your eyes, the sun is going down. You'll be alright, no one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire. The war outside your door keeps raging on.